So today we're going to be opening 5 pro packs, and I'm hoping for some elites. And if I don't get elites, at least I'll get some golds. So we're going to unclaim. We're going to start right off right now. If I can get an elite right here, I'll be fine, and I won't even care what I can get in the other ones. Oh, dang it. Okay, let's do it. Another one. Let's just go BAM! What? Overpack. If I don't get an elite, I am going to be so mad. Team. Got 2 more packs. If I don't get an elite right here, I'm just going. I know what I'm going to do. Man, am I even going to get a good player? Last pack. If I can't get one, I am going to be so mad. Don't be a gold elite. Oh, God! I said so much money! I could have bought something else! No! Stupid! I'm done. I'm rage quitting.